Yo, what's up, guys? It's Juice. This is Monday's installment of studying recap. I lost a bunch of footage and waited too long to upload this video, so all I have is just some fast forwarded footage of me studying econ, looking at various models for exchange rate determinations. So apologies for that. I'll still kind of put this footage up and put it in a fast forwarded state, but for next time I'll be sure to be a little bit more organized and get the jump on things as opposed to waiting till late at night. That aside, next week on Monday will be breaking down the philosophies of studying, how you set goals, how you structure a study plan, and how you kind of pace things out. So look forward to that. Stay posted, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.